You're wasting hours taking screenshots, copying them, and adding them into docs. Here's how I turn a quick screen recording into a fully formatted, step-by-step guide in literally seconds. Let me show you how you can create a video to a guide workflow. Open Doc 360 editor and create an account. And when you create your account and log in, here's the page you will see in front of you. Then I want you to click the Create button on the top left side and choose Step-by-Step Guide. I want you to name this guide, choose the category you want it to be, or create a new category and create, and click Create. When you have it done, click Start Capturing. That way, you will launch the Document 360 Chrome extension. Allow the microphone while visiting the website, and you can choose what you want to share. Maybe you want a whole window or specific tabs to share. Let's say I choose a new tab. After you choose the tab or window you want to share, you choose the resolution. I'm going to leave it to recommended resolution, and you can click Start Capturing. You don't need to pause to take screenshots manually. Just perform your task naturally, like clicking menus or typing text, and the tool tracks every interaction on the background. Let's test it together. And you can see it started capturing. I am right now in YouTube. Let's say I want to go find my channel. I'm doing any task, click on the channel, and let's say that's what I wanted to do. I click Stop Sharing, and you can see it tracked the clicks that I've done. And when I'm done, I can just click Done, and you're seeing the software creating the guide on my behalf. The AI instantly converts the session I recorded into a structured guide. It creates a separate step for every single click. Automatically writes the instruction text, for example, click on search or click on YouTube, and attaches a perfectly cropped screenshot with a click indicator showing exactly where to click. And once you have your guide, you can do any changes that you want. The advanced editor saves you hours of time. You can instantly drag and drop steps. You can select all of them, unselect all of them, or the ones without images. You can change the text. You can remove an image if you want, and then publish it again. This solves the formatting nightmare. Everything stays consistent with your brand style automatically. A second great feature that you have in Document 360 is the advanced editor. When you're in your dashboard, you can go and click Create, and then you can choose either Create with Eddy AI, which we will see it in a while, and Article. I'm going to click for now Create Article and go as blank. And when you click blank, name it. For example, I'm going to name it Test Article 1. Choose the category you want it to be added in. And in Advanced, make sure you have Editor Type Advanced and click Create. And here, once you create it, you will be able to see different things. Number one, the title. The title, you can change it in any title as you want. In Suggested Title, you can get a title suggested from AI. In order to have the title suggested from the AI, of course, you need to type at least 50 words. And for example purposes, I typed a simple article on how to download Trello on your phone. And you can see now, because this article is more than 50 words, I can suggest title. Now the AI will suggest me 3 different titles for this article. I can choose one of those 3, or if I want, I can generate more suggestions. The next thing is that you can even split it up in different paragraphs. And then you can drag and drop the paragraphs one next to the other, change their placement. You can rearrange how they look like. You can even edit them. When you highlight something, you can make it bold, underlined, italic, or whatever you want. Also, you can use Eddy AI, so the AI will help you write whatever you want. For example, if I choose this paragraph and I go Eddy AI will make it longer, shorter, improve it, change tone. For example, maybe I want to change the tone, make it more friendly. And Eddy AI will change and adapt what I chosen from my article to what he thinks is better. If I don't like it, I can regenerate. And now I'm going to just replace it. And you can even click this to see it in a code and change in any way that you want it to be. And with all these features with the advanced editor, you solve the formatting nightmare for your articles. The next one I want to share with you is the AI writing assistant. As you've seen it also a bit previously, AI can help you write whatever you want and improve it. Number one, like we said, if I choose this paragraph or sentence, the AI can help me make it, for example, longer. It will think and suggest me a longer version of this specific sentence. And if I like it, I can just immediately replace this sentence, or if I don't like it, I can regenerate. You can even click more for more options from the AI. Another great thing with the AI is you can come, create with Eddie, and Eddie will create an article for you on its own. For example, I want the AI to create me an article on how to download Trello on your phone. I click the button, I choose the category I want the article to be in, and the AI writing assistant is writing the article for me. And again, if a step is too technical, you can use the simplify or expand feature, like I showed you before, which is make longer or make shorter. That way you make instructions crystal clear for the end user. It's easy to use, and you can add callouts and warnings even on specific steps. And last but not least, which I also love, is the version history tab, which solves the pain that old guides confuse users. You can click the three dots, go in revision history, and here you can see the previous version of this specific article. And I can even work for the history or click on it and basically go back to it or even fork it. So I can create a different version of the article without overriding the original one. Stop writing manuals the hard way. Turn your screen recordings into professional guides instantly. Check out the link in the description to try Document 360 today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.